This is a RT3 Bluetooth adapter by Yocowoco. I'm sorry if I just pronounced the name wrong. So the RT3 Bluetooth adapter can actually support up to Bluetooth 5.2 just to avoid any of the delays or whatever that could cause a bad experience. And it can have up to 25 hours of battery life. So if you have it in TX, it can go up to 25 hours, whereas RX can go up to 20 hours, which is really not bad at all. And you can charge it with the Type-C connector, and it supports continuous usage while it's charging, so that way you can have it running endlessly. So in the box it has a manual, Bluetooth adapter itself, 3.5mm into some kind of stereo adapter, and it has clip nuts as a USB-C cable and then the 3.5mm audio cable, which is very short. In the front of the Bluetooth adapter, the front has an OLED screen where you can navigate through the menu, and there is a Bluetooth status light so you can see if the device is connected to the adapter. On the top part has 3 multifunctional buttons. The first is a skip song, volume up or down, or either a menu down button. The middle button is a power on and off, play and pause, and a confirm. And then the one next to it is volume down, previous song, or menu down. And then on one of the short sides have a USB Type-C, and then the complete opposite one has a 3.5mm audio jack. And the complete opposite side of the 3 buttons is a switch where you can go to RX or TX mode. So RX mode means receiver, which means that you can connect your phone to the little device, which the device can actually connect to a 3.5mm headphones or speakers, and which means that you can turn those things into a Bluetooth speaker or headphones or wherever you connect it to. And then TX means that you can actually connect to your computer through the headphone jack or any device that has no Bluetooth capabilities at all. Through the Bluetooth side, you can connect your AirPods or your Bluetooth speaker, like what I've done in this video, which I will show you guys later. So I do not have one of the speakers that does not have Bluetooth capability, so I'm just going to use this speaker that I have, my JBL boombox, but I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth functionality from the speaker itself and pretend that it's not a Bluetooth speaker, so I can connect this in the headphone jack of this speaker and have the Bluetooth coming out of this RT3 device to see if I can get it hooked up. But the problem is that my phone is the only device that I can hook up into it. On the RT3 device itself, the build quality is good, but not the greatest quality. But it does the job just fine in both modes it has. But this would be perfect for those who have either a non-Bluetooth capable speaker to play music on, or have a computer or any other non-Bluetooth electronic devices that you can feed the music out of it into any Bluetooth speaker or headphone. This is also good if you're in a plane and you have some kind of entertainment system where you can watch movies on and you don't have a set of wired earbuds or headphones. You can use that RT3 device to connect to your Apple AirPods, Samsung Galaxy Buds, or any Bluetooth headphones that you have with you. Overall, I think this is a pretty cool device. But if you want to buy this, I will have this in a link in the description below. Before I wrap this up, this video, I do have a Discord server for you guys to join if you guys want, but it's been pretty quiet there, so it's really hard to get you guys other people to join and tag there just to not be a dead sat. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss none of the videos that I will be making in the future. And also touch a like if you haven't already, and peace.